If you're here, then you probably know next to nothing about knitting needles. Well, sit down because we're talking all about the perfect knitting needles you should get as a noob.
Different knitting needle sizes cater to different yarn thicknesses. The best size for beginners by far is the US 8 or 5mm for you non-Americans. But based on personal experience, I'd say the US 10 or 6mm and US 11 or 8mm paired with chunky yarn are the best to work with for first-timers. Let's talk about the material. What your knitting needles are made out of matters a ton. The right needles will feel as smooth as butter to work with, while the wrong needles will make your knitting life a living hell. So let's go over two of the most common ones, wooden and aluminum. One of the most common wooden needles you'll encounter is the bamboo needle. It's light, slip-proof, and affordable. Being lightweight, wooden knitting needles cause much less hand fatigue, so knitters, especially beginners, enjoy a much longer and easier knitting experience. They're inexpensive, and you can easily find full sets of wooden needles from Amazon and your local craft stores at really affordable prices, which is a huge freaking deal in today's economy. It also has a super satisfying muffled clicking sound, perfect for those ASMR lovers out there. I love working with wooden needles because of the rough texture. It catches and grabs onto the yarn fiber as you knit. I can easily work on my project without worrying that the stitches will slip off if I pause to take a break or if I'm working on more complicated stitches. But there are a few drawbacks. Wood is a natural material, so things like moisture, heat, and frequent use will eventually cause the needle to slightly lose its shape. Thinner sizes like the US 3 or 3.25mm to US 5 or 3.75mm can easily bend and break if too much tension is applied. Snagging is another caveat. Because wood is grabby, it can feel slow to work with for experienced knitters who prioritize speed. Now let's talk about aluminum knitting needles. I'm not a stranger to aluminum knitting needles. In fact, I have multiple pairs of these. Too many pairs, one might say. They're super durable, slippery, and work well with all types of yarn. Aluminum knitting needles are highly resistant to breaking and warping, making them ideal for frequent use and even long-distance traveling. But you might have to check with your state's traveling laws and regulations. The last thing you want is to get your precious needles confiscated before a long flight. They are smooth and work really well with all sorts of yarn fibers, but they absolutely take the cake when it comes to knitting with wool and acrylic yarns. Those two fibers are known to be super snaggly and tangly, so the smooth surface of the aluminum knitting needles help reduce the grippiness of the yarn. The smooth surface may be great for tangly yarn like wool and acrylic, but it's an absolute nightmare for smoother fibers like silk and cotton as loops easily slip off as you work. Aluminum is also quite heavy, so your hands will get tired much quicker compared to wooden knitting needles. Another one is the noise. This one's pretty niche, but some knitters don't like the sound of metal needles clicking against each other. So if that's something that bothers you, then aluminum might not be your vibe. Both wooden and aluminum knitting needles have another form, the circular knitting needle. Circular knitting needles are two needles connected in the middle with a long tube or metal cord. They're quite versatile and come with a few other perks. They're perfect for knitting patterns in continuous rows. They reduce pressure on your hands and arms. They can be used to knit both flat and round knitting patterns, and they can hold a ton of stitches. One con is that there's a bit of a learning curve, but the more you use your circular needles, the faster you get used to them. Straight knitting needles are, well, straight. They don't have a cord that connects them in the middle. They're great for flat knits like dishcloths, scarves, and pot holders. They're a good starting point for beginner knitters. But unlike the circular knitting needles, straight needles can't hold a lot of stitches. They can also be heavy and put a ton of weight onto your wrist when knitting larger projects. So what's your takeaway from this video? Well, we learned that the US 8 or 5mm to US 11 or 8mm wooden knitting needles are amazing starting points for beginners. The size range is super easy to work with. Plus, the rougher wood texture means that you will have fewer issues with loops slipping off your needle as you knit. Once you start feeling more confident, you can move on to using metal knitting needles. When you eventually start knitting bigger projects, consider exploring circular knitting needles next. Which type of knitting needles did you start working with? Let's chat in the comments. Click on the video on your screen right now because YouTube thinks you'll like it. See you next week. Subscribe for more.